So students, as we are done with the explanation of when to use simple past tense and the rules related to regular and irregular verbs, let's start our exercise A. Complete the following with simple past forms of the verbs given in the brackets. So there are some words given in the brackets and you have to use the past tense of those verbs. Okay, so your verb should be in the past form. So let's see the exercise. So let's see the exercise A. Ajay's aunt lives in Giza, Egypt. Ajay dash his aunt last May. So यहाँ पे visit का हो जाएगा visited. We just added ed to it. Okay. Ajay visited his aunt last May. He dash with his cousin stay. Stay का हो जाएगा stayed. We are just going to add ed to it. They dash a trip to the Giza. So enjoy will become enjoyed. We are just going to add ed to it. They dash African and Asian elephants. So here the verb is see और उसका past tense हो जाएगा saw. तो ये कौन सा वाला फॉर्म हमारा हुआ? irregular verb. और ये जो पहले तीन हमने देखे visited, stayed and enjoyed, they were regular verbs. Okay. So C का हो गया saw. Giraffes and several species of monkeys there. The white rhinoceros dash asleep when they visited it, but zebras were awake. Here is the be form which we have already learned, जो हम present tense में use करते हैं. तो इसका past tense क्या हो जाएगा? Was. ठीक है, ये भी एक irregular verb है. When they were walking around looking at birds, a huge snake dashed out of anthill. Here the verb is crawl and we just added ed to it. So it becomes crawled. It dashed this way and that and then dashed into some thick bushes. The first verb is look. We added ed to make past tense. ठीक है, तो हमने looked कैसे बनाया? Past tense हो गया. And then go का हो जाएगा went. So this is totally a different thing. So this one is irregular verb. Okay. And Ajay was frightened but thrilled as well. Now let's see exercise number B. Some verbs in the following sentences are incorrect. Underline them and write the right words in the blanks provided. So इसके अंदर जो verbs है वो कुछ verbs गलत है. ठीक है, मतलब उसका जो फॉर्म है, स्पेलिंग है, पास्ट टेंस जो बनता है वो गलत है. सो लेट्स सी दैट. जॉन थ्रोड अ स्टोन एंड ब्रेक्ड द विंडो. सो ये दोनों जो वर्ड्स है वो वर्ब का फॉर्मेशन गलत है. पास्ट टेंस में द बेस फॉर्म इज थ्रो और उसका पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है? थ्रीयू. ओके. और ब्रेक हमारा बेस फॉर्म है. ओके. एंड व्हेन वी चेंज इट इट बिकम्स ब्रोक. ओके. ब्रेक, broke and broken. Broken is the past participle but we don't need it right now. Let's see the second one. I did not know the answer to the questions but Riya knowed it. So here knowed is again wrong. हमारा जो बेस फॉर्म है वो है know और उसका पास्ट टेंस होता है न्यू. ठीक है. When I seed John, he was reading books. So here seed is wrong. See is our present tense और उसका past tense होता है saw. And catched the ball. We already studied कि कुछ words होते हैं जिसके अंदर हमें UGHT ऐड करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि ये वाला verb है हमारा. ठीक है. catch हमारा प्रेजेंट टेंस है और उसका पास्ट टेंस क्या होगा? caught. Let's see the fifth one. Kumar's dog was sick so he taked him to the vet. Now taked is again wrong formation. हमारा जो प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है वो है take और पास्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा took. Okay, and the last one, the dog sitted in the car quietly. Now this is also wrong. हमारा बेस फॉर्म होता है sit and we just remove I and add a. So ये sat हो गया हमारा past tense. Now you need to remember one thing what I told you before, that you have to learn the past and past participle of the verbs. तब भी आपको पता चलेगा कि कहाँ पे गलती है. अगर आप याद नहीं करोगे एंड स्पेशली इरेग्युलर वर्ब्स, तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि वो वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस सही बना है कि नहीं बना है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज सी. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs in the bracket. So there are some verbs given in the bracket. We again have to use the simple past tense of those verbs. They dash for 3 hours. So here you can see that the last word is consonant in shop. ठीक है, तो हम consonant को डबल कर देंगे और ed ऐड कर देंगे. Right? So it becomes shopped. The cat dashed out of the window. Jump का past tense होगा jumped. Okay. Joy dash he was sorry. Say का past tense क्या होता है? Said. So answer होगा Joy said he was sorry. They dashed their vacation well. Here again you can see the word which ends in consonant. So here we can do one thing, that is we are going to double the consonant and add ed. So it becomes planned. The horse dashed away. Now if you see this word also, in this word we have last letter as consonant, right? But इसके अंदर हम कॉन्सोनेंट को डबल नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम सिर्फ ईडी ऐड करेंगे उसमें. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला कि कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें चेंजेस रूल के हिसाब से होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें वो रूल्स लागू ही नहीं पड़ते हैं. ठीक है, सो दीज आर सम डिफरेंसेस विच आर रिलेटेड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रेगुलर एंड इरेग्युलर वर्ब्स विच यू नीड टू रिमेंबर एंड लर्न इट. ओके, सो आई होप दैट यू आर क्लियर टिल हियर. So please complete exercise A, B and C in your textbook itself. No need to write it down in your notebook. Just complete this exercise in your grammar textbook. Okay? We will learn about negative sentences and questions in the next video. Till then, take care.